How to change the screen mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to adjust your display's color mode on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Display to open the display settings. From there, tap on Screen Mode to open the color mode options. At this point, you'll see different screen modes available, such as Vivid and Natural. In the next step, tap on Vivid for more saturated and punchy colors, or tap on Natural for a more accurate and true-to-life display. Following this, if you selected Vivid, you can also adjust the color balance by dragging the slider to fine-tune the warmth or coolness of the display. Once done, go back to your home screen to see how the new screen mode looks in real life. Finally, if you're not happy with it, simply go back and select a different mode until you find the one that looks best to you. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you change your screen mode, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.